Hey, what's up? My name is Cameron and I flip furniture. In this video, I wanted to challenge myself to flip a piece of furniture start to finish in 24 hours. So literally starting and finishing the furniture piece in one day and then selling it before that 24 hours is up. I filmed the whole process and this was by far my quickest furniture flip to date, and it just felt really good because it was instant money. Enjoy.
We can go fight wars. Come back. But if I made a mistake, if me and my buddies made a mistake, we lost our lives. We go to jail. Like, we lost our soul.